In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and managing projects, and creating a board is the foundation for all your productivity needs. Let's dive right in and set up your first Trello board. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com in the address bar. This action will take you to Trello's main website, where you'll find options to either sign up or log in. If you're already a Trello member, simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to sign up and follow the steps provided to get established. Once you're logged in and have accessed the Trello homepage, you've opened the door to a world of organization. Here, you'll see a dashboard displaying any existing boards you've created. For today's purpose, we're going to create a new board. Look for the Create New Board button, which you'll often find on the left sidebar or at the top of your boards list. Click on it and you'll be prompted to begin the creation process. Now that you've reached the board creation screen, it's time to add your personal touch. Begin by selecting a background color or even a photo that aligns with the theme of your board. While this step is purely aesthetic, choosing an inspiring or calming background can effectively set the tone for the tasks you'll be organizing. Next comes a critical step, titling your board. Your title should be clear and descriptive so that any team members invited to the board can immediately understand its purpose. Whether it's Marketing Strategy 2023 or Personal To-Do List, a well-chosen title is crucial for communicating the board's mission. After you've settled on a title, you'll need to choose the board's visibility. Here you have several options. You can keep the board private, allowing only you and those you invite to view it. Make it team visible if you're part of a Trello team, or set it to public if you'd like anyone on the internet to have access. Choose the visibility setting that best fits your intention for the board. Once you've fine-tuned all your settings, you're ready for the final touch. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a Create button. When you're satisfied with your selections, just give it a click, and voila! Your new Trello board has been created.